Here, sing the Do Re Mi song again.
Sing it.
Do, a deer, a female deer, Ray, a drop, a go, a son, me, a name, I call myself, fall, a ground away to run, so I kneel my breath, oh, I'm at the mole, so, tea, a shake a bad breath, oh, the brain does back to do, a deer, a female deer, Ray, a drop, a go, a son, me, a name, I call myself, fall, a long way to run, so I kneel my breath, oh, I'm at the mole, so, tea, I shake a bad breath, oh, the brain does back to do, oh.
Good. Yay. Okay.
And she has the Mom. Mom.
Hey, no, not you.
Okay, not me.
Just me.
Just you. Okay. You want to share the phone with little sister?
Yeah. I'm Captain Hook.
You're Captain Hook?
Tell Granny you're wearing your pirate outfit.
You're wearing your...
I'm wearing my pirate outfit.
Oh, with the Pirates of the Caribbean? Did you see that? Or the pirate stories? Or, oh, Peter Pan, I guess, right?
No,
Tell her you're wearing your pirate outfit.
I'm wearing my pirate outfit.
Oh, I remember how pretty you looked in that, and everybody at Disneyland turned their heads to look at you because they thought you were so cute. When you had it on, remember we went on that pirate ship at Disneyland? Remember that?
Yes!
Yeah, you said, I want to put my pirate outfit on, and we put it on, and you wore it on the ship, remember? And then you wore it the rest of the day out there. And
Yeah,
everybody
but
looked.
hey, Gran.
Oh, how cute! You were so darling.
Hey, Gran. Where's my parrot hat? Where's my parrot hat?
Where is your pirate
I
outfit?
don't know.
You got a hat?
I bet Granny knows.
No. Don't talk to me and don't talk to me. I have to talk to Granny. Guys.
Can't they talk to you while you're talking to me? No?
Hey, Granny, where's my parrot hat?
I don't know where your pirate hat is, but I am so anxious to see you. I can hardly wait.
Did you kiss Rex?
I'm going to come see you today. Did you know that?
Did you kiss Rex?
Hey, Rex. No.
I'm going to come see you today.
You give Daddy a kiss.
Yeah.
Did you tell Rex I'm going to see him too?
You're just a funny girl.
My granny's coming to see you, Rex.
I think she's got a present in there.
Oh, yeah, she does.
Yeah. Come on. She wants to kiss you. Kiss your sister. Kiss your sister. Good
Aw.
job.
I want to kiss it again.
You want to kiss her again? You want to kiss Daddy?
Give... Mwah.
Kiss your sister.
Aw. Oh, you're just full of kisses today, huh?
Just full of kisses.
Mwah.
Just full of kisses.
Give Mommy a kiss.
Oh.
Give Mommy a
It's
kiss.
a big hug, huh?